To make some little accessories for my dollhouse bathroom, I'm going to be using some Play-Doh and one of these little tea light candles, and I've got these tiny little capsules and some berry melts. They're just wax berry melt, so they've got a nice smell to it. And I'm just pulling the capsules apart and placing them into the Play-Doh. To make it easier to pour the candle wax, I'm just putting a slight little point on it like that, and then making a groove in the wax, so that when I light it, the wax will just flow in this direction. And then just fill them up. They only use a small amount, so I'm just taking a bit of this and breaking it into the candle so that it can melt as well. And then just fill that one as well. Once the candle wax is dry, then we can just take it out the Play-Doh and then just remove the Play-Doh. I've removed all the Play-Doh, and now I'm just taking my hot glue gun and I'm just sealing the bottom. I've got a piece of grease-proof paper, so I'm just gluing them down, and then I'll cut them all afterwards. The glue's all dry, and now I'm just trimming it off the sides, so it's all nice and neat now. And just do the same for all of them. I've got these rather tiny little flowers that I got off a packaging like that, and I've just cut those off, which I'm going to be using to decorate the side. So I'm just going to glue the little flowers around the bottom like that, and around the top. And the small ones, I'm just putting the little flowers in the middle of my little bottle. I've just got some little designs out of a magazine that I like, and I'm just using some glue stick, and I'm going to be sticking that onto my little bottle. And then I've got a small little bead like that, which I'm going to be gluing on top. And there are my little shampoo, conditioner and hand soaps or hand washes completed for my dollhouse. Thank you so much for watching.